Hello kids, today we are going to revise the lesson to year to year. Year to year. In this lesson we learned about animal ears, types of animals ear, skin, egg laying animals and गिविंग बर्थ एनिमल्स. इस लेसन में हम एनिमल्स के ईयर्स के बारे में, कौन कौन से एनिमल्स कैसे कैसे ईयर्स दे हैव, एनिमल का स्किन, वाई दे आर हैव डिफरेंट पैटर्न स्किन, डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ देयर स्किन, and two types of birth is there. In animals, two types of birth is there, by laying eggs and by giving direct birth to their young ones. We learned in this one lesson now, so we revise this one. See here in this picture, elephant has whose ears? Mouse ears. Rabbit has dog's ear. Rabbit has giraffe's ear. Rabbit has giraffe's ear. Mouse has dog's ear. Giraffe has elephant's ear. Dog has rabbit's ear. Buffalo has deer's ear and deer has buffalo's ear. Here they are, the artist changed their ears. Animals whose ears we can see and animals whose ears we cannot see. We already make it. Okay. Tiger, buffalo, giraffe, cat, deer, pig, elephant. They have ears outside, whose ears we can see. Deer, tiger, buffalo, pig, giraffe, elephant, cat, dog. We can see these all animals' ears. Okay, now see ears. Animals whose ears we cannot see but they have ears. Frog, fish, ant, crow, sparrow, lizard, duck, snake. They also have ears, but we cannot see their ears. Their ears are hidden on their feather, fur, hair. Okay. Now see in this one next picture. Name the animals in the picture. Can you see their ears? Name the animals in this picture. Can you see their ears? They all have ears, even though we cannot see them. Name these one animals. Those are not having ears outside, but they have ears. देखो बच्चे इन पिक्चर में hen, sparrow, duck, parrot, crow, frog. They have what? They have ears. What they have? Ears. उनको भी कान है लेकिन दिखते नहीं है. Okay. Now next question see. Find out some other animals which ear that we cannot see. Write their names. Fish, flies, mosquitoes, crocodile, etc. Next question. Read and write it. An animal with ear like a fan. Elephant. Elephant के ears fan जैसे होते हैं. An animal with ear like a leaves, rabbit and deer. An animal with ears on the top of the head, rabbit. An animal with ears on the side of its head, dog, buffalo, etc. Now you see in this one picture, you know very well these all animals that ears help us to hear. They have ears, but their ears are hidden. Can you see these animals here? In some we cannot see. We cannot see birds' ears, insects' ears, crocodile's ear, lizard's ear. They has tiny holes on the body side of its head. That is their ears. Okay. Now next say skin of the animal. Here one picture given. You match the pictures. Match the skin of that one animal. This skin is this one skin, this one, there 5 skin pattern are there and 5 animals are given. First you recognize the animal. पहले आप एनिमल को रिकॉग्नाइज करो, देन यू मैच दैट वन स्किन्स. ओके. टाइगर, टाइगर, डियर, स्क्विरल, leopard and zebra. These 5 animals. You imagine their colors and skin. Okay. Now see this. Which animal match this one? Brown color and dots will be there. Deer. First one match to deer. Second one, white black strips are on his back, squirrel. Okay. See here. Black strips are there. Black and brown color, this one, yellow colors. This one, tigers is there. Now see dots are there. Black dots, leopard. And black and white strips. Black and white strips, which animal it is there? Zebra. This type you recognize and match it. We already matched it, but revise again once time. In the next page, ear can be seen, has ear on skin. Ear cannot be seen, has feathers on skin. Sorry, has hair on skin. First we will see ears can be seen. Ears. Which animals' ears we can see? Fox, elephant, pig, mouse, cat, buffalo, camel and cows. These all animals' ears we can see. Okay. Has hair on skin. किस एनिमल्स के स्किन के ऊपर बाल है? हेयर मीन्स बाल, स्किन मीन्स on their body covers, no, that is called the skin. It is the sense organ skin that cover the whole parts of the body. It protects the internal organs. See, it is our skin. Okay. Has hair on skin. स्किन के ऊपर जिस एनिमल को बाल है, हेयर्स है, उनके नेम्स लिखो. फॉक्स, यस. एलिफेंट, फिग, माउस, कैट, बफेलो, camel, cow, dog. They all have hair. They all have hair on the skin. स्किन के ऊपर उनको बाल है. If you want to see it, see if you have, आपके घर में डॉग है, कैट है, कव है, बफेलो है, तो गो एंड सी देयर, आपको उसके स्किन के ऊपर बाल दिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट वन, ईयर्स कैनॉट बी सीन. Sparrow, pigeon, frog, crow, peacock, duck, hen and lizard. These all animals have ear but we cannot see. These all, ये सभी एनिमल्स के ईयर्स होते हैं बट हमें वो दिखाई नहीं देते. ओके, नेक्स्ट, हैज़ फेदर ऑन स्किन. इन द सेकेंड कॉलम वी सीन हेयर ऑन द स्किन, हियर फेदर ऑन द स्किन. किस एनिमल्स को फेदर्स होते हैं? यस, बर्ड्स को फेदर्स होते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द बर्ड्स हैव फेदर्स. स्पैरो, पिजन, क्रो, पीकॉक, डक, hen, etc. Animals have feather. Sorry, birds have feather. These all birds have feather. The ears, these also animals have ears. Understood now? And they have feathers. Okay, now next turn the page. See, egg laying animals and giving birth to young one. Two types of birth is there. Give birth to babies, column it is there. Cat, pig, giraffe, human being, cow, elephant, dog, monkey, they all give birth to young one. वो अपने जैसे बच्चे को बर्थ देते हैं. Now egg laying animals, frog, sparrow, crow, hen, parrot, lizard, fish, ant, duck and snake. These all animals lay eggs. It may be bird, insect. इनमें bird भी है, insects भी है. Okay, they lay eggs. From that egg, the baby will come. After the hatching, the baby will come out. Now next see, some question answers are there based on this lesson. Which animal is it? 1 minute kids, I'll read this one sentence fully. Have you seen animals around your house? School that have small babies, write their names in your notebook. आपने आपके स्कूल के नज़दीक, घर के आसपास कोई एनिमल देखा हो तो उसकी बेबी के साथ उसकी नेम्स लिखो. यस, आई हैव सीन द डॉग, सो आई रिटर्न हियर डॉग. हैव यू एवर केप्ट अ पेट? डज एनीवन यू नो कीप अ पेट? Find out more about the pet. आपके पास कोई पेट है तो उसके बारे में लिखो. यस, विच एनिमल इज इट? आपका पेट कौन सा है? माई पेट इज डॉग. इट इज़ अ डॉग. इट इज़ अ एनिमल. डज इट हैव अ नेम? व्हाट इज इट्स? यस, आई कॉल इट मोथू. It is the dog and I will call it as a mothu. It is an animal. Who gave it this name? My brother gave it this name. मेरा छोटा भाई इसको मोथू, मेरे डॉग को मोथू बोलाकर नाम रखा है. What does it like to eat? It like to eat meat and biscuits. How many times a day is it given food? Usually thrice a day. 3 बार हम उसे खाना देते हैं. When does it sleep? For how long does it sleep? Usually it sleeps in a day 5 to 6 hours. Is there any special way to look after this animal and how? Yes. Are there special ways? Are there? I feed regularly. Always keep it clean and neat. Clean and neat means keep it proper place. Make it a separate small house type place. And I will take it to a veterinary doctor for its checkup every month. Next question. Does it get angry? When? How do you know it is angry? आपका dog angry होता है? Yes, I know. When unknown person will come to our house, it started to barking. That time it gets angry. Okay? Next say. Does it have feather on its body? It has a hair on its skin. Can you see its ears? Yes, I can see its ears. Is it a baby or a young animal or a full-grown animal? Full-grown animal? Your dog is a baby or young one or fully grown. पूरा बढ़ गया है वो. बेबी है, छोटा बेबी है और यंग है और पूर्ण बढ़ गया है. ग्रोथ, इसका पूरा ग्रोथ हो गया है. यस, इट इज़ अ यंग वन. मेरा डॉग अभी यंग है. विल दिस पेट एनिमल ले एग्स और गिव बर्थ टू बेबीज? अ डॉग गिव बर्थ टू अ बेबीज. डज इट हैव अ young ones? Does it have young ones? No. Here, draw a picture of animal and color it. Give it an of your own choice name.